Hi guys, it's Seth. Welcome back to Warthog Defense. After Ukrainian forces withdrew from Avdiivka, it appears that roles are switched, at least temporary. While Ukrainians still face ammunition shortages, the precision missiles supplied by France are making an impact on the battlefield. Now the fortified Russians in Avdiivka are experiencing the effect of their own strategy.
Russian positions being hammered here by French-supplied AASM-250 hammer bombs. This are attacks on the Avdiivka coke plant by French-supplied AASM-250 hammer bombs and HIMARS projectiles. Today at 16 o'clock, the Russian command center of the 70th Guards Motorized Rifle Regiment was hit in occupied Zaporizhia by HIMARS. It is reported that many officers gathered, including the commander, waiting for Russian channels to start reporting on 200s and 300s, which means killed and wounded. The Ukrainian Secret Service GUR confirms that a railroad bridge over the Chapayevka River in the Samara region of Russia has been blown up. Due to damage to the tracks, trains cannot use it anymore. Reportedly, train traffic across the bridge has been suspended and several trains have been delayed. Allegedly, the metal structures of the bridge were damaged, but the concrete supports were not damaged. Ukrainian Defense Intelligence confirmed the fact of the damage. Given the nature of the damage to the railway bridge, its use in the next few weeks is impossible, Defense Intelligence reported. The railway branch was used by Russia to transport military cargo, in particular engineering ammunition produced by the polymer JSC plant in the city of Chapayevsk, Samara region. Also, GUR cyber specialists hacked the servers of the Russian Defense Ministry. As a result, the Ukrainian intelligence service gained access to the information security and encryption software used by the department, as well as to an array of Secret Service documents of the Russian Ministry of Defense. Due to recent heavy losses, Russia has been forced to significantly reduce its air activity in the east. How long this compulsory break will last is not yet known. According to Institute for the Study of War analysts, the occupation forces have lost 15 aircraft from February 17th to today. Robotyne, Ukraine. Defense forces destroy Russian BMP-4 and Gvozdika SPG using an FPV drone, leading to catastrophic explosions. Russian SM-Buk launch loading installation 9A39 with anti-drone protection on top of the missiles. A Russian paramedic in the Krinky area, occupied part of Kherson region where Ukraine has a foothold, is complaining about way too many injured Russian soldiers he has to treat. He is also wondering why Ukrainians and their weapons and drones are so mean to the Russians.
Каждый день 300. Молодые парни гибнут. Молодые парни получают такие ранения. И кричат: мне больно. И они неожиданно просто получают такие ранения, которые не должны получать. И сначала надо их перевязать сквозь боль, сквозь стоны, сквозь крики. А потом дать бейсбол. Либо сам участвую, либо парни относят машину, которая, опять же, едет под дикими рисками, под дикими минометными обстрелами, выезжает отсюда, с рынок. Парни, кто отвозит, рискует очень сильно, держит. Над нами летает все. Крыланы, большие дроны, такие крылатые, их не заметить. Дроны камикадзе, дроны со сбросами, корректировщики, мины. Очень много иностранного оружия, ну, тех же минометов, стволок и так далее. Стреляют по-разному, стреляют разрывными и по большей части калечат, чтобы побольше людей ранить, были ранены. Их не жалеет никого. Я не знаю, что с ними не так, но они стали нелюдьми. За что же так дико ненавидят людей? И в их сторону мало что летит, по большей части мы просто не пускаем их на этот берег. А снаряды не ложатся по целям. Как будто это заговор какой-то, как будто они... Да не заговор, это как будто куплено все. И команда не стреляет по тем позициям.
A maniac from Russian Transbaikal who was sentenced to 14 years for killing and dismembering an 18-year-old girl has been pardoned for his participation in the war in Ukraine. He was called a special military operation hero. However, after returning home to Russia, Siren Dorji Serenjapov murdered a 22-year-old girl before returning to prison for 14 years. These people go to fight in Ukraine. It is scary to imagine what happens to Ukrainians in the occupied territories.
Thank you guys for watching. We will follow the situation on the battlefield. Will we have more French missiles, which are very important in this stage of the war? Stay with Warthog Defense. Comment, like, subscribe, become our member, and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.